this kind of activity, this simple live or press conference with inspirational women from the Ritmo community, it's really a big thing for me because visibility really creates acceptance. Acceptance creates a society wherein everyone can thrive. And celebrating Pride Month is really important because the festivities as well as the Pride Run, that is basically turning our advocacy into action, and it brings together the families, the Rainbow community members, our allies, and our supporters in one shared activity, reminding us that inclusion is actually a journey that we take together one step at a time. My message to my colleagues and administration, not just Norsu but all the universities, is that education should be a place where students feel safe, respected, and empowered to learn. Because for me, as an educator, gender expression does not diminish one's intellectual capacity, their character, and their potential. Because the goal naman is not to make everyone the same, but it is to ensure that everyone has the same chance to succeed. Because what truly matters is how the students deliver, how they contribute to their communities, and to really prove something that they can do what other cis people can also do. I'm excited to witness the Pride Run tomorrow because in that kind of activity, we don't just get to run for wellness and fitness, but we get to run for acceptance, visibility, as well as a future wherein everyone can actually cross that finish line with pride and dignity. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ms. Carol, for those words.